This case is, I mean, it's obviously a tragedy, what happened to Mr. Delgado-Garcia, but not every tragedy is a crime. And what the Commonwealth has done here is made the tragedy worse by charging an innocent man who didn't do the crimes that are alleged in this case. You have to bear in mind, this boxing program has been in place for decades. And in particular, in this case here, it was approved by the hierarchy of the state police at the highest levels. And now they've dragged in the trooper, this young trooper, and are trying to scapegoat him for what happened. And it's not right, it's not fair, and it's not appropriate. They cannot prove that he acted recklessly in any regard. And in fact, in this case, the only reckless thing you're going to see is the charge. It was reckless to charge him with a crime in this case. It really was. So we look forward to getting in front of a Worcester grand jury who will use some common sense to see this for what it is. It's a tragedy, it's not a crime, and it never should have been charged.
If the training was approved already,
what
do you say about the allegations that he revised some of these documents after the fact?
Well, you should take a look at what we filed in court today, because the revisions that they're trying to suggest are suspicious or inappropriate are totally appropriate. In fact, they're routinely, those daily lesson sheets are routinely edited at the end of the day so that they know what was taught. So there's nothing nefarious about that. It's a misleading statement in the government statement of the case, and we moved to strike that today. The court denied it without prejudice. If invited us to bring it back with the other defendants, but we already filed something today saying why that is so unfair, and we pointed out it's unfair in large part because they make much ado about the sparring session where he wasn't even present. So they're saying he was reckless by being at this sparring session. He wasn't even there. So we think the filing by the Commonwealth was inappropriate. We moved to strike it. We lost, but so be it. We look forward to pursuing other motions.